Hello everyone, this is Mac and this is version B of our basics on exponents. We're not going to do a lot of properties for those. There's a whole nother chapter where we do exponents. This is just giving you the basic gist of how they work. Please go to maxtutorials.com to learn more about these and to find more exercises. And I really appreciate the like and subscribe to keep this going for other people. Okay, so number one, if I have two negative signs and this 2 goes to everything in here, well, negative times a negative is a positive, so my answer here is just a normal positive 36. You can also think of this as negative 6 times negative 6, okay? This one you can think as negative 1/3 times negative 1/3 times negative 1/3. Those are some really ugly threes. I apologize to everybody out there. How embarrassing is that? Okay? So that's fine, but you can also look at it like this. Cube all these. 1 cubed is 1, 3 cubed is 27. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27. Now, because I have 3 negative signs, any odd number of negative signs mean my answer is going to be negative. Number 3, I'm going to square the top, and I'm going to square the bottom. That's going to give me 16 over 49. Here, I'm going to cube the 3. As we talked about before, the answer is 27, but it's a positive or negative. I have 3 negatives. Any odd negative is negative. This next one, I apologize for the spacing here, but I know that a negative 2 times, the square means in a parenthesis, I'm going to do everything. 2 negatives, my answer is going to be positive, and I'm just going to square the top and the bottom to give me 4 over 9. Let's do number 6. I'm just going to square both, 9 over 25. Okay? And number 7, I'm going to do 2 to the 4th. Well, let's do the number first. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. It's a positive or negative. Any even number of negatives, and I'm going to have 4 of them, the answer is positive. So it's positive 16. Going on to number 8. That 4 does not go to the negative sign because it's not in the parenthesis. The 4 only goes to the 2. So the answer is going to be negative 16. Okay, because I only have 1 negative. This one, I'm going to square both top and bottom, and I'm going to get 16 over 25. This one, the square only goes to the 7, so my answer is a negative 49. If that negative was in the parentheses, then the 2 would go to the negative as well, and it'd be positive. So please know the difference there. 3 squared and 5 squared, that's 9 over 25. This one, I could tell you the answer is going to be negative because I'm going to have 3 negative signs. But now I'm going to cube both of these. Ooh, I got to think about this. I know 125 for the top. 5 times 5 is 25. And if I have 5 quarters, I have a $1.25. This one's harder. 6 times 6 is 36. And I got to times that by 6. So I get a 36, carry to 3, 18, 21, 2, 16. Number 13. Now here, I'm going to have 4 negatives because it's inside the parenthesis. So my answer is going to be positive 16. And number 14, I'm going to cube the 2, and I'm going to cube the 9. I'm going to have to do math again. Can you even believe that? That's going to be 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. And this one's going to be 9 times 9 is 81. 81 times 9 would be 729. Okay, so that's my answer there. So there's version B. I hope that really helps you, especially look at these negative ones, okay, and know the difference between those. If you do that, you're in really, really good shape, okay? I'll see you either on version C or we'll see you in the next section. Keep plugging away. You guys are doing great.